Oh, yes, we making the frijoles. Oh my God, yes, we making the frijoles for my baby. She's in the Navy. Oh shit, baby, your hair done? Oh, you still pretty. Look at that smile. Hey, hey, dab it one time. What's your initials? G A B. Get it, get it, get it. All right. So back to the frijoles. I got the bacon right here. All right. So we're gonna do this for the Realology family. 777. Ooh, baby, come. Ooh, sample that. All right, this is the taste test, people. Did I do it right? Did I put the flavor in the frijoles? Ay, mamacita, bite the bacon. Ooh, this piece for me or for the Jew? For me? No, for the Jew. No, it's para ti. Ay, mamacita. We got the adobo right here and the little chicken breast. Yo, baby. So,
these are done. What you doing?
Oh shit!
Ah!
I forgot about the tortillas over there.
You're burning my eyebrows off.
Well, you can always draw them back on. Did you check the other side and see if it was brown? Oh shit, it's brown. I'm gonna use my hands because I'm a G. I'm gonna brown my fucking shit. Oh shit. Woo. So we YouTubing, watching YouTube with the broke ass screen.
That's the way we do it.
Oh shit, let's go. Mamacita. Tell me why you like the frijoles.
Because beans are good for your heart.
But you look like the chocolate woman, but tell me, what is your background? Is your mommy black? Is your daddy black?
Hold on, I need a spoon. Was that the only spoon we had?
Seriously? There's like plates, bowls, spoons, Malta Goya. Oh,
you want to put stuff
high. In this house. So tell me, what's the flavor? Like, how did you get so beautiful? Did you buy the hair? What that girl asked you the other day? How many inches? Okay, so your hubby over here messed up that video and stopped it with his big old fat fingers. So what that girl asked you the other day? She said, how many inches is your hair?
Yeah.
And you like, bitch, this ain't Starbucks.
I'm from California.
No, so can you tell me, where's the flavor from? Like, can you talk to the Realology family? Like, we live right here.
Oh, yeah.
You acting like you too good to talk? Oh, you just into your frijoles?
Yeah.
That's all you give a fuck about. Here's some meat. Oh.
I'm trying to make tacos.
Okay, hold on. Let me put some meat up in your mix.
No, I only eat it with beans, and then I eat bacon on the side.
Really? So I can't put bacon inside your taco?
You could put it on the side, or inside yours.
Whatever, chica.
Huh.
Man, you can't wait till we sit down, bro?
No.
Well, bro, this is hood. We just got the apartment. So, this is how we doing it.
Do you have any more beans?
Maybe if you answer some of my questions. So tell us, what's up?
What question?
How are you so beautiful? Like, what's your mommy, what's your daddy?
My mama is black and Filipino.
Uh-huh.
My dad is Mexican.
Mexicano. Cartela. Does he like frijoles too? Ay, también. So, what else? That's it? So your mom's black and Filipino. Your dad is Mexicano. So you just got all the flavors, huh, right? That looks like a sopapilla.
It really does.
Alright, so when we put this video together, we're gonna make it look good for the So your page, what is your page? What kind of fam you got? I got Realology fam. Because you know mine is about that fitness and that real life, that family life.
For my fam.
You haven't? So what's your page if people want to come and see you? What are we telling them to go see?
Dominica Armani.
Armani? So DOMINICA ARMANI. Alright. Sounds good. Sounds good to me. Well, again, these are the bean tacos. When you gotta eat something in the morning. This is the bacon. Look how juicy that is. Baby, do you know how to say bacon in Spanish since you're Mexican?
No.
Well, bacon, if I'm correct, is tocino. So that's how you say it. Tocino, yeah. You didn't know
It's
that?
such a long word for bacon.
Yeah. It's the tocino. Drink that water, baby. H2O. It's good for your life. We endorse H2O. So,
Squirrel!
all right.
Squirrel!
Anyway, people, I don't know what's going on in her life, but...
Oh my god, that's from the movie Up. The dog, he would say, squirrel! And he would be like this.
How would he do it?
Squirrel!
This is what I wake up to.
You haven't seen the movie?
So, I guess I'm not that special.
We're gonna
I
have
haven't
to
seen
see it,
Up,
then.
you know that.
You have?
Are we gonna sit down and eat together? Look at this fat ass. Not fat, but doesn't even wait for her puppy. She said, "Fuck it, all the beans are mine." All right, people. Anyway, me myself, I'm gonna get into this fitness today. So I'm gonna be working with the 30 pounds and this beautiful mirror that I got. I like it. I think it's got some flavor. It's got some style. And as I said before, you know, the apartment's brand new. So here's my little notepad. We're going to be trying to do push-ups to 1,000. So started off with 60, 30, 25, 15, 20. Just keep it going. Keep it working. All right, people. Signing out. We will catch you next time. Realogy fam. All right, Miss Armani over here. Say goodbye. Say we'll see you later. Come back with some better quality vids. We just doing
See
it.
you later.
This is.
We'll be back with more videos.
Yep. We definitely will. Oh, shout out to the Ace family. I mean, we just starting off. We're trying to be like you when we grow up. But all right, y'all.